everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have another unboxing for you. So today, I'm going to be doing the Misfits box. This video isn't sponsored at all. I purchased the box with my own money. That way I can give you an unbiased review. So I purchased this box since I was a first-time subscriber. I used someone else's link and I got 50% off my first box. I'll have my link down below in case you want to try it as well and get that discount. And basically, so this is the small size. The small size usually costs $22, but it was 50% off, so it was $11. And then I had to pay shipping on top of that, which was either $5 or $5.50. So shipping wasn't too much, but a bit annoying that they added it on afterwards. So the total I paid for this box was $16, and I did the option where you could select everything that you wanted in the box the first time. I think there is also another way where you can have like it default to like randomly selecting things, but I didn't want that to happen because we're a bit picky eaters here, so I wanted to choose. So I ended up going through selecting. They had like a medium range of availability, I'd say. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the camera around and I'll show you exactly how it comes packaged, and then also everything that came in our box and the condition it's in. Another thing to mention too is the boxes do ship really quickly. And they do ship through FedEx, so we didn't have any trouble at all. It's a Thursday, my box came at around 10 o'clock in the morning, so very convenient in that respect. So again, I'll show you what's in my box next. So the first thing it came with is a little recipe card, and I'm not actually sure if I got any of these vegetables in my box, so I'm not sure if these are random or associated with the box. And then it's packaged in like the insulating cardboard. So it's like where the shredded paper is in between the layers of cardboard to keep it cold. Celery, butternut squash, cabbage, this one looks like about half of it's good, half of it definitely isn't good anymore. Green onions, kale looks really pretty good. Do zucchini. The one got a little dented up, but not bad at all. Green peppers. A little small, but again, not bad at all. One pomegranate. Two apples. And I can see a few small bruises on the apples, but should be fine. This is my baby Bok Choy. Just got one of those. Two pears. And then 3 green apples. And I'm guessing they didn't sell these ones in the store because they have like the brown veining on it, but it doesn't really affect the taste at all. And then down in the bottom, it just looks like some of the cabbage fell apart a bit. So I just went over to my computer and double checked that everything that was supposed to come in my box did come in my box, and it did. So I would say overall, it all seems like pretty good quality. The only thing I'd say is a little subpar would be the green onions. But then again in here, like some of them aren't so good, but then there are some in here that I think are salvageable. So that should be fine. So again, down in the description box below, in case you ever want to try one of these Misfits box, I do have the link where you can get 50% off your first box if you're curious about it. I think overall it is a pretty good deal for the $16.50. I don't think I would pay full price for the box though, would be my overall review, just because around here we can go to farmers markets and get this for a pretty equivalent price. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you next time.